Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The first thing you need to do is make sure the Apple ID for App Store is right or not. Go to Settings, greater than tap iTunes and App Store. Greater than tap the Apple ID, greater than tap Sign out. In the pop-up, greater than tap the Apple ID again and sign in with your Apple ID. Now, run App Store to download apps to check the problem is solved or not. 19 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The vast majority of apps on iPhones can be installed only through the App Store, and Apple doesn't offer an official way to install software outside of the App Store using an installation file downloaded from the Internet, a process called sideloading. 1 September 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Restart app. Besides the internet issue, you can also try to restart the app on your iPhone to fix this problem. If the app download is stopped, then you can tap Resume Download. If it's stuck, tap Pause Download, then firmly press the app again and tap Resume Download. 22 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Update your apps manually. Open the App Store. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to see pending updates and release notes. Tap Update next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All. 12 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.